Welcome to livingpianos.com. So good to have you here for this Mason and Hamlin grand piano, model double A at a little over 6 feet. What a sound this piano has. Tell me if this isn't the warmest, richest sound you've heard out of a piano of this size, completely rebuilt from the golden era 1917 before it was bought out by Aeolian. Beautiful. I'll tell you about the restoration work, but let's start off with a Bach fugue. This is from his E minor toccata. It's a pretty rousing piece of music. That's the final movement to that wonderful toccata in E minor of Bach. The action is as smooth as silk. In fact, it's been completely refreshed. New Abel hammers, those are German hammers. That's partially the warmth that you hear in the sound is those Abel German hammers. And the piano has got new strings, new pinblock, new agraffes. Now, what's that? On the far side of the strings, they go through, actually on the near side of the strings, they go through these little loops. And you can use the original agraffes, there's nothing wrong with them, but to get clean termination, you see from tuning a piano, you get little ridges in the metal and you don't get a clean end of where the string touches metal. And so to get that purity of sound that you hear, those new agraffes really help. So let's hear now some Beethoven. This is the first movement of his famous Opus 49 No. 2 Sonata in G major. I dare say it's impossible to get a harsh sound out of this piano, and yet it has a huge dynamic range, as you'll hear next with something on the quieter end of the spectrum, the Nocturne in E minor. I'm going to play a shortened version of it so you can hear the beauty of the singing tone. You know, the piano's also been refinished with an absolutely exquisite finish, just like you'd find on a brand new Mason Hamlin. The plate's been re-gilded, all the metal parts replated. It looks and plays like it did when it was made. Amazing instrument. Interested, once again, leave your comments here at livingpianos.com. We're your online piano store. Thanks for joining me again. I'm Robert Estrin.